Good evening, sir.
Turn on your
Good
camera.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Turn on your cameras. Yes. How many of you revised your formulas? How many of you revised your formulas? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Lepakshi Reddy is joining now. Kashyap has joined. Musab has joined. Turn on the cameras. Guys, how many of you have revised?
Sir, right, sir.
Very good, very good. Chalo now. One second. Now tell me the first formula I would like to ask. Shortest distance between two parallel lines. Shortest distance between two parallel lines. కశ్యప్ చెప్తాడు ఇప్పుడు.
Sir,
No
I,
problem.
I don't know, sir.
Like you don't know.
I have only revised, only the lines formulas actually.
No problem. Mushab. Musab.
Sir, I didn't learn.
तो क्या किया था फिर?
Sir,
फिर क्या किया था? What did you do? क्या किया था? डीजे वाला बाबू का गाना बजा दे. डीजे वाला बाबू का गाना बजा दे. क्या किया था फिर? बताओ. हाँ? क्या किया था मुशाब? पूरा डीजे वाला लाइट लगा के बैठा हुआ है. हाँ? बताओ. हाउ इज द जोश? राघव जी बताओ. Come on. See, I'm asking you the first formula. The first formula is what is the shortest distance between two parallel lines? Shortest distance between two parallel lines. What is that, Raghav? See here, I'll give it two lines here. Now you have to tell me the answer. Any two lines, like let us take that R1 is equal to A1. Tell me, shortest distance between these two parallel lines. अगर दो, these are the two lines, these are two parallel lines, what is the shortest distance between these two?
Sir, is nothing but mod of cross A2 minus A1 by mod B.
Mod of A2 minus A1 into B divided by modulus of B. All right, is it clear? Huh. Is it clear or not? What is the modulus of distance? Distance modulus of distance is equal modulus
Sir.
of A2 minus A1 cross product B1 divided by modulus B vector. This is a basic simple question. Chalo, now next. Distance between two parallel lines. I have these two parallel lines. Let us say that. उसको सब भूल जाओ. Let me ask one more question. Remember that. भूल जाओ मतलब भूलना नहीं. याद रखना फॉर्मूला को. ठीक है? हाँ. Next question. Distance between two parallel lines. AX plus कोई two parallel lines ले AX plus BY plus CZ plus D1 is equal 0. AX plus BY plus CZ plus D2 is equal 0. These are the two parallel lines. What is the distance between two? Very simple formula. Tell me.
Sir, the mod of d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square.
Very good. So mod of distance minus 1 divided by distance O divided by square of the direction ratios. Sum of squares of the direction ratios. Very simple. Next.
Sir, mod n
Huh?
denominator. Mod n, sir. Like mod of d1 minus d2 by mod n.
Mod ये भी फॉर्मूला है. देखो देखो.
Partition equation.
Sir, what is this question, sir?
I'm asking that distance between two parallel lines. These are the two parallel lines. So I have given one more equation. This is a vector equation, partition equation. You might,
Like
yeah, you might be talking
in
about
vector
your
form,
partition.
it is given mod of d1 by d2, d1 minus d2 by mod n, sir.
Sorry.
In vector form, it is actually given mod of d1 minus d2 by mod of mod n, sir.
Okay. So what you would like to say here?
Here I would say like why under root a square plus b square plus c square.
That is, I'm just writing this thing in vector equation. Sorry, partition equation. You might be, it might be telling that your vector equation. You might be telling that d1 minus d2. You are saying this one, no? Normal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I have given these two lines, then why would you say this? Tell me, I don't understand. I have given these two lines clearly, then you should say this formula only. So when should you say that d1 minus d2 divided by that one? When I have,
Sir, if that is the case, then we have to go ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d.
look at this. Then look at this here. You should have that r dot normal is equal to distance 1, r vector, then y is equal to d2. If this one and this one, then you must say that. All right. He has clearly mentioned that ax plus by plus cz is equal to d1. Then Q. Very simple. Don't get confused. You just revise it properly. Next question. Musab ji, why didn't you learn, Musab ji? Raghav ji, tell me, why didn't you learn, Raghav ji? आप भी क्या बताया था? क्या किया था आपने? आप भी डीजे बजाया था, डीजे वाला बाबू का गाना बताया थे. वो आपने वही किया था क्या? बताओ.
No, sir.
यस. कोई ना. चलो, मुझे ये बताइए सिंपल सा फंडा. R1 A1 plus ले लो, R1 is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 and R2 vector is equal to A2 plus mu B2. These two are perpendicular. Then B1 dot product B2 क्या होता है?
0.
Zero.
Zero होगा. बस simple direct formula we have. Next question. If LM and R direction cosines of a line, then what is the condition I told you? L square plus m square plus n square is equal to -1 या +1?
+1.
+1. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमने जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला है ना, ज्यादा यूज होने वाला है, वही पूछ रहा हूँ मैंने. ठीक है. इफ अ प्लेन, कोई ले लो. इफ अ प्लेन r vector dot n vector is equal to q and this is a plane. The line, let us take a line. This is a plane. Let's take this a line. All right. So then what is angle? Angle between a plane and line क्या होता है? ये plane होगा या line होगा? What is the angle between plane and line?
Sir, sin theta equal
Sin
to
theta is equal to
b mod of b dot n by mod b
m
into mod
bar.
n.
ये देखो n है m bar divided by
हाँ
mod of n. ठीक है, इतना याद है ना, बस इतना याद है ना, सही है. आपको इतना याद है तो आपने कर जाओगे बस. You just remember this. You will be definitely doing that. I'm sure. Plane and straight line will be parallel. Plane and straight line.
Formula again, actually. Can you tell the formula, sir, again?
Can you?
Tell the formula.
What I'm telling is, look at this. This formula is, this is a plane, okay? This is a line. Whenever the plane and line are there, all right, plane and line, what is the angle between the plane and line? What is the angle between this plane and line? Angle between this plane and line is sin theta. Okay? Sin theta is equal to n bar dot m bar divided by modulus of those. Right? Plane and straight line. Plane and straight line will be parallel. कब होगा? अगर एक plane and a straight line will be parallel, when it is going to happen?
n1 dot n2 equal to 0.
What I'm saying is plane and straight line will be parallel if, what's the condition? I just told you A1, B, B1, C1 is equal to 0 होना चाहिए. आया समझ?
Yes,
आ
sir.
रहा है?
Sir, like you have asked for the vector equation form or the Cartesian form, like that you mentioned, sir.
You tell both, no problem. You tell both. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, in terms of vector form, it is n1 bar dot n2 bar equal to 0. Whereas here in
Very
Cartesian,
good. This is the Cartesian form. Then vector equation is what? n1 normal 1 dot product normal 2 is equal to 0. सही है. Very good. चलो now guys, look at this. Let us hear all this stuff. Let's get started with our problems. हमने पहला प्रॉब्लम उठाने वाला है. एक मिनट ये क्या हो रहा है? चलो, the first and foremost question is what? Look at, if some alpha belongs to R, the lines L1 given is equal to something, L2 given something, or coplanar, then L2 passes to the point क्या होता है? Look at this. 1 minute of time. Our options are, this is the previous JEE question 2020 में. कोप्लानर
Determinant equal to 0.
बताओ जल्दी से. So what is, look at this here, make it fast. 1 minute guys, 1 second, let me. Make it fast.
screening है वो.
You are doing but not getting, eh?
So screen is गायब sir. Screen है.
Feeling bad, ah?
sir,
Screening है sir.
क्या बता रहे हो?
It's not shared, sir.
Just a minute, 1 second. Screen has not been shared. तो एक काम करना है मुझे अभी, स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर किया। हाँ, टेल मी। इप्सम, व्हाट इज, मुझे पता है क्या करना है, डिटर्मिनेंट जीरो करना है। हेलो, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? हेलो, देखो बेटा, x2 माइनस x1,
x1 by
y2 माइनस y1, z2 माइनस z1, इसके ये बाकी तो क्या है, बाकी सब क्या है, dr से। चलो, टेल मी व्हाट इज x1 का, व्हाट इज x1 हियर? दिस
Two.
इज x2 minus x1, x minus x1, that should be in the form of x minus x1, that line should be in the form of x minus x1. All right, what we have, x plus 1, so what is x1 here? x1 y1 z1, tell me. Minus 1 comma 2 comma plus 1, how many of you agree with my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we have x2 minus x1 form, y minus y1, z minus z1, like that. Clear? Now here either, what is the form of these x2 y2 z2?
-2
Minus two.
-1
minus 2
plus
minus
1.
-2 -1 plus 1. Now tell me x2 minus x1, बाकी सब क्या होता है, हमारा drs होता है, ठीक है। हाँ बताइए, इधर तो drs हो गए, हम लोग डायरेक्ट सीधा सा सीधा लिख देंगे 2 -1 1 अल्फा
alpha 5 minus
माइनस
alpha
अल्फा एंड 1। तो
1
x2 minus x1 क्या होता है, x2 minus x1 सीधा मैं लिख रहा हूँ, x2 minus x1 फॉर्मूला, x2 minus
-1
x1, सो -1
-1
-3
-3
0।
Minus
अभी
zero.
बताइए, इधर से हम लोग अल्फा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं, चलो मेक इट फास्ट। अरे रे रे, लड्डू का क्वेश्चन है, लड्डू वाला क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से बताना, डिटरमिनेंट में इतना टाइम नहीं लेना। इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस मच ऑफ टाइम, देन यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन विद इन अ मिनट। फटाफट बताना है, व्हाट इज अल्फा, व्हाट इज अल्फा, -1
6, sir.
हाँ
6.
6, लेट अस सी वन सेकंड, देखेंगे एक बार हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी 6। तो -1 प्लस -5 प्लस अल्फा प्लस 3 इंटू 2 माइनस अल्फा 0 इंटू कुछ भी लिख दो, 0 हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल 0 है। तो मुझे मिलेगा इधर से +6 मिलेगा, +6 माइनस अल्फा +6 माइनस अल्फा 0, so 2 alpha is equal to 12, alpha is equal to 6, very good, alpha is equal to 6, alpha is equal, everyone got the same,
Yes,
everyone
sir.
got the same, हाँ
Yes, sir.
alpha value 6,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, alpha value 6, तो हम लोग we need L2 passes through the point, which point, so we have to substitute in L2, all right, x plus 2 divided by, look at this now, x plus 2 divided by 6 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 5 minus alpha, तो -1, तो z minus 1 divided by 1, हाँ। Now look at this guys, now इसमें look at the option, whichever the option is satisfying to that, particular thing, then that is going to be my answer. Whichever option is satisfying. Look at this. Which option is satisfying? Tell me. जल्दी से बताओ फटाफट.
Sir, option C, sir. -2, 10, 2.
कौन सा ऑप्शन?
Option C.
Option C is getting satisfying. So let's see. तो C मतलब 0. 11 by minus 11.
Sir, option A, sir. 2 minus 10, -2 is the answer.
भाई
I just missed the sign. Option A is right. Option A is right.
ऑप्शन ये मतलब
Sir, isn't it option D?
let us say option D here. 2 plus 2 4. 4 by 6 is equal to -9 by -1. -3. So how come it is option A, man? How come option D is also? Is there any calculation mistake we made?
Like alpha is 6, sir. That is correct, sir.
D बता
None
रहे.
of the options are satisfying, no, sir.
None of the options satisfying. So is there any calculation mistake? Look at this. But you should satisfy. The way we have solved, that is 110% right answer. But बताओ. Any calculation mistake? Look at this. See here, this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. तो A2, B2, C2 तो L2 का लाइन 2 का DRs हो गया. A1, B1, C1 तो लाइन 1 का DRs हो गया. तो this is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 is equal 0. कोप्लानर है, सही है. मेक इट फास्ट. क्या गड़बड़ किया था हम लोग?
Sir, at -3 alpha, na, sir. In that.
अरे डिटरमिनेंट में कोई हम लोग
Sir, yes, sir.
बना
The
दिया
second
Sir,
bracket.
-3 alpha, sir.
भाई एक मिनट -1. तो -1 तो ये तो क्या हो जाएगा? -1 -5 प्लस अल्फा. सो -3. सो +3 इधर ना.
+3. 2 minus alpha.
तो इधर मुझे क्या मिलेगा? -6 तो +6 माइनस
6
अल्फा.
minus alpha.
6 माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल 0.
-6 alpha.
Sir, 6 minus
अरे,
3 alpha,
minus
sir.
3 alpha.
हाँ
6 minus 3
3 alpha,
alpha.
sir.
3 into minus alpha.
अच्छा. अरे अच्छा. yes
So alpha is 4.
right
Alpha is 3,
right.
sir.
12 is equal 4 alpha is equal 3 आया मुझे. अल्फा इज इक्वल 3 बनाएंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? बताओ जी बताओ. 3/2 इधर तो 3. पूरा ये तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा फिर. सो कितना मिलेगा? 3
3 2.
2 1. 3 2 1.
3 to 1. 3 to 1.
बताओ अभी कौन सा ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है इसको? 4/3.
So what is the value of x, sir?
This is x, y, z.
How do you know the values of x, y, z, sir? Can you
भाई
explain?
कैसा होगा? How do we know that? X, y, z तो coordinates लेंगे ना. How do you write coordinates? Generally that is the way of writing, right? X comma y comma z coordinates. That's how we are writing, right? Yes. Substitute all the option, whichever you substitute, whichever you getting satisfied, that is your answer. But this is, guys, tell me, make it fast. See here, tell me children, look at this. Will you be able to do this now? So even even we are not getting any option, then this is 110% right procedure. Clear? So whichever the option is getting satisfied, that is your answer. Make it fast. Any doubts? Any doubts? Substitute करके देखोगे, check कर लोगे. Shall we move forward? We have spent no more.
Then the option is right, sir. Like in
Yes,
None.
sir.
No,
Okay,
still
none.
it's not satisfying.
Options are wrong.
Options are wrong, then you take none. The answer होगा none. ठीक है? Option होगा none. कोई बात नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है भाई? अब तो हम लोग करेक्ट ही कर रहे हैं ना, बराबर है. तो चलो, अभी बताओ मुझे सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इसको बताओ. If the equation of a plane P passes through the intersection of planes this one and this one, is that one for A, B rectangle? Is this of the point? Hello, बताओ.
The intersection of plane is not.
हेलो, इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन मतलब क्या होता है? इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन?
a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1
हाँ, a1x तो
plus lambda into
देखो ये होता है क्वांटिटी, कोएफिशिएंट्स होता है. Someone is asking what is capital A, capital B, capital C, right? These are the
Yes, sir.
coefficients. All right. ax plus 4y minus z plus 7 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus 5z plus 7, right? इधर क्या होता है? -8 is equal to 0. How many of you understood this? Now we solve this. कैलकुलेट मुझे मिलेगा ये 1 plus 3 lambda of x. आ रहा है, समझ आ रहा है? देखो हम जस्ट राइटिंग डायरेक्ट स्टेप.
sir this one is -7 ना sir
कहाँ माइनस?
x,
अरे भाई
x
इधर ही है
plus
ना.
4y
Hello, that is not the case here. That is not the case. Don't
Sir,
do that.
substitute the values of x, y, z together, no, sir.
See, अरे भाई मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ? देखो इधर ऐड कर रहा हूँ भाई. This one and this one I'm adding here. So x
हाँ.
plus lambda 3x. So what I'm taking here? I'm taking
X
x
common.
That's what I'm writing direct step, man. Don't get confused.
Understood.
Bhai,
Sir, what I'm saying is directly take x value also, right? Together,
what x value? Bhai, look
like
at
x
this.
is equal to
Yes,
3, y is equal to 2, z is equal to -1.
you
like
you
that.
listen to me. Yes, why do we need to take? Look at this here. The equation of place this one and this one is this one given. So if I find something over here, I can compare this one and this one, get the answer simply.
Oh, okay.
All right. So now y given. Take a y here. What I'm going to get here? Y. So 4 plus y, right? So y common is 1 lambda plus 4 y minus z common. So minus z common मतलब क्या आएगा? 1 minus 5 lambda, isn't it?
Plus
Yes,
plus 7 minus 8 lambda.
Minus 1, not minus 1. So plus 7.
Plus 7 minus 8 lambda.
Now compare that.
sir that is -7 na sir according to formula minus d1 na sir
हाँ.
you wrote x
No.
plus
According to not formula, man. D has given clearly. Look at this here. If it is something here, I would have shifted left hand side. It is right hand side only, left hand side only. Let it be. Here we have plus 15. That's why you shifted here. You understand?
yes sir
You take plus z here, plus z common. So plus z लिख लेंगे इधर, plus z. Not all, everything is plus, right? So let us say plus z. Plus z मतलब what I'm going to get here? Plus z. If I take plus z common,
5 lambda -1
5 lambda -1. ठीक है. Guys, I can compare. Look at this here. Intersection of this plane and this plane is equal to this. Now I can compare this one and this one. How can I compare? A divided by what is the coefficient of x? 1 plus 3 lambda is equal to b by by tell me.
Lambda plus 4.
4 plus
Lambda plus
4 plus lambda, sir. And 6 by 5 lambda minus 1.
5 lambda minus 1.
So if we solve,
आया समझ? So minus
sir,
1.
lambda is minus 1, sir.
हाँ, this is what I am comparing here. Compare कर दिया? हाँ. Is equal to what? Compare 15 upon what? So just
8 by 7
minus
minus
8 lambda.
8 lambda minus 7. आया समझ? आया? आ रहा है समझ?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is this side, right? The right hand side you
Yeah,
should take
yes,
that.
sir.
So, yes. Now compare this. I can find 3 values here. I can find a lambda, a, b, c value. I can find lambda, a, b.
Sir, lambda is minus 1.
Look at this here. Now what is the question? Then the distance of the point. This is from the plane. Distance of the point from the plane. Distance of the point from the plane. Yes. Distance of the point. This one from the plane is what? Yes.
Yes, sir. Lambda is minus 1.
Distance of the point from the plane. How did you do this?
6 by 5 lambda minus 1 is equal to 15 by 8 lambda minus 7. We
Which
found
one?
our lambda value.
But I didn't get you.
Sir,
You are equating these two.
Yes, sir. Lambda value will get
last
minus
two.
1.
Last two. If you
Last
equate, so
two.
what are you getting? Lambda value.
Lambda
क्या होगा?
minus 1.
Lambda value minus
Minus
1.
Minus 1. So if you get lambda value minus 1, then what is a value? And b value. Look at this, boys. For getting b value, substitute these two. For getting a value, this and this compare. Make it fast. फटाफट बताइए. Make it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Sir, a value is 2.
A value is 2. Okay. Next. Come on. B value is what? If A is 2, what is B value? A is 2 by 1 minus 2 minus 1.
B is minus 3.
B is minus 3, yes. Boys, you have to be so fast in calculations. B is equal to minus 3. Fatavat. Done?
Yes, sir.
Look, I got lambda, A, B, C values. Okay, as soon as you get the lambda values. So look at this now. I got this one. So I
Yes,
get
the plane equation could be minus 2x, 3y, minus 6z plus 15 equal to 0.
what is the plane equation? Plane equation is what?
Minus 2x plus 3y minus
How do you write
6z.
plane equation? How do you write plane equation? Tell me.
Sir, just we substitute the value of a, b,
हाँ.
a, b there. That's it.
देखो. So A का वैल्यू क्या होता है इधर 2y minus 2 A by minus 2 सॉरी. तो हम लोग पहले क्या करेंगे प्लेन इक्वेशन लिखेंगे ना A by minus 2 not even sorry A value is what. What is the plane equation? Plane equation क्या होगा? Substitute directly. What is the plane
So
equation?
minus 2x plus 3y minus 6z plus 15 equal to 0.
This one, yes, that's the plane equation, right? Chalo, what I got? Minus 2x. So 2x
X, not
minus
minus.
3y plus 6z.
3y plus 6z is equal to minus 15.
So distance of a plane from the point. Look at this, एक point दिया है. The distance of the point, distance of the
Yes.
plane.
ax1 plus by1 plus cz1.
What is the formula? What was the formula? Tell me.
ax1 plus by1.
Tell me the point. Tell me the point. Make it fast. What was the formula? What was the formula? What was the formula? I got a plane equation. I have point.
ax1 plus by
ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d.
By
Mod.
root over a square plus b square.
a square plus b square plus c square.
Yes, sir.
See here, he has given. I just told you that we have a plane equation and a point. Distance between a point and a plane क्या था? Point. What is the point here? What is the point given? Look at this. 3, 2,
2
minus 1.
minus 1.
3, 2, 1. So x1, y1, z1 is 3, 2 minus
What's the
1.
formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus b.
Plus d.
Substitute here. What are you going to get?
Sir, answer is 3 units, sir.
Answer is 3
Three,
units.
yes,
Huh? Let me check 1 second. So Ax1. So directly we'll write. So 6 minus 6.
9/7.
Sorry.
9/7.
9 by
7.
एक मिनट हाँ माउस what is the after substitution what do you got? Tell me. Let me check the option. After substitution what do you got directly?
6 minus 6, 6, 15.
-15 by
Minus 15.
By root under 4 plus
6
By
nine
root
plus
6
9 plus
minus
36.
6 minus 6 minus
z
minus 15.
z is what? D is what?
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
ये सब modulus में तो this entire thing will be in modulus.
So minus 21 mod. Mod minus 21.
Minus 21 by root 61.
So
21 by 7 will
by
get 3
root
answers. 3.
So what I
21.
get here? A square means
9 plus
36.
7.
Answer.
Answer is 7. Down 1.
what is the answer?
No.
3 is the answer. How many of you got this? देखो भाई ये चले गया इधर से कितना बचा मुझे?
7.
-21
हाँ.
by
Mod 21. Mod minus
21 by
21.
7 यार 3 हो गया बराबर है सही है
3. हाँ.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इंटरेस्टिंग और नॉट मजा आ रहा है मेक इट फास्ट इसका ऑप्शन ले लो make it fast the plane which bisects the line the line joining the points this and this at right angles also passes through what पहले हम लोग ये क्या करते हैं डायग्राम डालते हैं इसका देखो एक प्लेन हो गया कोई भी plane which bisects the line ये line होगा plane is bisecting this is a plane okay the plane is bisecting the line joining the points मुझे ये point होगा कोई points ले लो ये point ये given that 4 minus 2 3 point B given that this is a midpoint or this is a midpoint what is the midpoint here midpoint is P क्या होता है midpoint क्या होता है x1 plus x2 by 2 so 6 by 2
2
3 2 by 2 1 1 1 this is a midpoint isn't it
3 1 1 sorry
normal of the plane क्या होता है normal of the plane see here this is normal here this is normal of the plane normal of the plane is along with the line AB के साथ normal क्या होगा line AB drs what is the formula I know that look at this right here normal of the plane along with the line, AB. Then what is the dr sub normal? Dr sub normal, direction ratios of normal. What is the formula I told you here? At right angles. So the dr sub normal is what? Hello, boys. X1 minus x2, x2 minus y2, x3 minus x3, z y3 is equal to क्या होता है? बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. You'll be getting drs from that. How do you find drs? By any plane. Look at this, normal of the plane. Normal of the plane is along with the line AB. Is along with the line AB. Then drs of the normal is what? Make it fast. What is the drs of the normal?
Sir, instead of going in this way, sir, like through distance formula, like AP is equal to BP. Squaring on the both sides, sir, assume like point P some alpha, beta, gamma.
ऐसा भी
And,
करो, ऐसा
then-
भी करो, ऐसा भी करके
Do-
देखो.
Then I'll get the equation of that point. Then I'll substitute the given points in that. So whichever is satisfied, that will be the answer.
What is your answer then?
Sir, I got like equation 2x minus 6y.
Look at let देखो हम लोग क्या करते हैं इसको. Look at this a plane. Look at this. ये ले लो ऐसा कोई प्लेन. ठीक है, इसका कोई ऐसा राइट एंगल फॉर्म करिए तो ऐसे ले लो. ठीक है. हाँ. The plane lines. Look at this. The plane which bisects the line joining the points. Line joining the points ये होता है. हम लोग जो diagram. This is the diagram. Now, हाँ. This is a bisecting here. This is a bisecting here. This is a plane is bisecting. So midpoint. Then it's bisect. We'll get my midpoint. So I got midpoint here. You just visualize. You read the question twice. So plane which bisects the line joining the point this and this at right angles also passes through what point? At right angles. What is the drs of AB? अरे drs of AB क्या होता है? I'm just simply asking drs of AB ना. If I know direction ratios of AB, why do you need to do squaring on both sides and all? Don't do that. drs of AB find out कर लेंगे तो आ जाएगा मुझे. Find out.
Sir, answer is B, sir. 40 minus 1. Option B.
Let's check it out. हाँ, drs of AB क्या होता है? drs of AB क्या होता है?
2 comma minus 6.
हाँ, x1 minus x2 minus x1 तो क्या होता है मुझे drs of AB?
2.
-2, 6, and
Excuse me, -4.
-4.
Minus 4.
हाँ.
Sir.
Now AB is going to be perpendicular. AB is going to be perpendicular. What I'm going to get? And what's going to be a plane equation? drs of the plane is perpendicular to dr, guys. Look at it. drs of the plane क्या होता है? Guys, drs of the plane होता है drs of the perpendicular to that plane only. drs of that plane, direction ratios of that plane is perpendicular to that plane only, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. What is the point here? Midpoint. ये point क्या मिला मुझे? What is the point? What this 3,
3 comma
1.
1 comma 1.
So now drs of this plane is perpendicular to that point only. Which point? This point. तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? देखो अभी बताओ अभी. Common sense. Equation of the plane is what? Make it fast. हेलो, टेल मी drs ऑफ ab, तो ये मुझे क्या मिलेगा, a इंटू माइनस a इंटू x माइनस x1. व्हाट इज x1? व्हाट इज x1 हियर? देखो भाई, x1 क्या होगा, माइनस 3 होगा.
minus 3.
y माइनस y1.
6 minus 6 into
y minus 1.
y
Y minus 1, sir.
y माइनस
1.
1.
हाँ माइनस 4.
minus 4 into
Minus 4 into
y-
z minus 1.
Solve this now. Now tell me which point is going to satisfy. Option
Option B.
D, 4
B.
minus 1 minus 1, right? So 4 minus 1 1 na?
0. Sir, 0 comma minus 1.
क्या था वो? 1 comma minus 1 ना? 1 ये 1 comma minus, अच्छा इधर 1 था, इधर minus 1.
That is 0, sir.
Where?
Y place low.
Ah, why?
0.
This is 0. Okay. How much I'm going to get here? Minus 2 here.
Minus 2.
Here how much I'm going to get?
Minus 6. Minus.
minus 8.
प्लस 8. तो मुझे क्या मतलब 6 मिल रहा है ना, कहाँ सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है?
Sir, can you tell me how did
4
you
0
get that?
minus 4 0 minus 1. Let us see second option.
Adhe sir, first second option se puna sir. 4 0 minus
Okay,
1.
okay. You just told second option, huh? Okay, I thought 4.
हाँ.
Okay. So 4. Okay, ఇక్కడ 0 ah. 0.
That's 0.
Okay. Yeah, it's second option, sir.
Then 0 అదే వస్తుంది కదా మళ్ళా. Then 0 means okay. Here you will be getting
Then it will be minus
minus
6.
2
Minus 2
yes.
minus
Minus
6
plus 8.
plus 8.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Option B is going to be correct. Right answer. देखो, what is the
Sir.
concept here? What is the concept? The concept is, look at this here, a line. One plane is perpendicular to this line. So this is the midpoint I'm going to get here. So look at this here. Whenever DRs of that particular line, what is the DRs of this line? What's the DRs of this line? How do you find DRs?
3 comma 1 comma 1.
Huh?
that is
2
Minus-
minus x1
x2
comma
minus
y2
x1.
minus 1.
x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. DRs you found that. You found that DRs of this line is equal to perpendicular to this, right? So now x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So after getting that, what I got? So this is what I got. So now here, after getting DRs, what I must do? Equation of plane. Equation of plane is what?
Into x minus x1 plus
Sorry? A into
X minus
x
x1
minus x1 plus
A
plus
into
b
into
x2 minus x1 plus b into
y minus y1
y1 plus c into z
z
minus.
minus z1 is equal to 0.
When do we need to use this equation?
point normal form.
When do we need to use equation?
When
Come on, you should tell this.
when a perpendicular is dropped on a plane,
When a perpendicular,
is dropped in on the plane, and
yes. When
Yes, sir.
perpendicular, yes. Whenever we have the perpendicular case. Now, shall we go for the next one?
sir, I'm not understanding one thing, sir. Like when we have to use the Cartesian form of it, or when we have to use the
Depends
vector
on the question. There is no trick that we have to use Cartesian. We have to use the vector equation.
form. Sir, so basically, if 3 points are given,
Most of the
so
times,
can you
look at this,
consider
let me clear one thing.
Cartesian-
Most
Okay.
of the time we'll be using Cartesian product only. Most of the time, maximum. Look at this here. What was the case? Here, point normal form. We have used, this is a point normal form, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is a
Yes, sir.
point normal form. This is the equation of the plane, right? Equation of the
Hmm.
plane in a Cartesian form. So when we use this formula? When a plane, look at this, when a plane
Is perpendicular to a point.
passes through a point,
whose
At-
position vector is perpendicular.
x1, y1, z1, and the direction ratio we have, and DRs, direction ratios of the normal, direction ratios of the normal to the plane is a comma b comma c is equal क्या था? Very important. This is one we will be using. All right. Clearly, everything has been noted in here. So when a plane passes through, एक plane pass कर रहा है किसके साथ? एक point के साथ. Look at this. When a plane, this is a plane here. Plane passes through a point, and DRs, direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Direction ratios of the normal to the plane is ABC. What is the DRs here? DRs. What is the DRs here? Tell me what is the DRs I got? -2. -2, 6, comma,
6,
-4 I got.
-4.
Now this is my equation. So that I got that whichever the equation is satisfying, whichever the coordinates are, whichever the points are getting satisfied, that is going to be my answer. Very simple. Next question, guys. Yes. So next question. Let a plane P contain two lines, this and this. If Q is equal to something given, is the foot of the perpendicular line.
Sir, so if it is given in a line form, then we have to consider the Cartesian form.
Yes.
If it is given in a vector
Yes.
form, then we have to
Vector
consider.
form. Yes. That is what I'm telling you. Most of the time we'll be using Cartesian. Whenever, until and unless he asks, vector form, we won't use vector equation. He has given you everything in lines.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Plane passing through a line. Yes, that is the case.
Okay.
Like you will be understanding immediately by looking at the question itself. Now look at
Okay.
it. There is no point. We don't have any chance to use zero Cartesian right here.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let a plane P contain two lines, this and this, and Q given. Yes. Normal of the plane is what? What is the normal of this plane? Find out here, normal of the plane. Very, very beautiful question. Make it fast. समझो क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा. See here, he has given in vector equation. You can just change into Cartesian form. How can you change this into Cartesian form? Tell me. Hello. How can you change it to Cartesian vector, Cartesian form? See here. ये क्या होता है 1, 0, 0 होता है. ये क्या होता है 0, -1, 0. Isn't it? So ये तो direction vector है. Let it be. All right. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Now make it fast. These two lines are in the plane. Look at this. कोई plane ले लो भाई. ऐसा कोई plane ले लिया. कोई plane ले लिया. These two lines are in that plane. Tell me. Guys, here if you use common sense, देखो बेटा, this type of question will be always solving by look at this. कोई plane ले लिया. These two players are the same plane, right? L1, this L2. L1 and L2. What I'm going to get? Look at this here. Foot of the perpendicular. He's talking about foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point M to the point P. Then 3 into alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Hello, L1 is equal to L1 cross product. if I take cross product, I'll be getting foot of the perpendicular. Isn't it? How many have agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello, if I take cross product, I'll be getting perpendicular to the plane. That is the foot of the perpendicular. L1 cross product कैसा करेंगे हम लोग? We'll be doing I, J, K.
Return.
हाँ. Make it fast.
So that means that dr is normal, sir. There's nothing but.
Huh?
IJK, if we're finding like, you know, L1 into L2, there's nothing but drs of normal.
क्या दिया सर? नहीं समझा मैंने.
Like, you know, we are doing like L1 cross L2.
Huh? No. See here first. Instead of going that way, see here, foot of the perpendicular concept. This is the foot of the perpendicular. क्या लेओगे? What do you take if he is taking, like, if he's talking about foot of the perpendicular? You understand? So if I talk about foot of the perpendicular, until and unless I take, you know, cross product, I won't be in a position to solve further. If you take
That is
dr, so after taking,
cross-
after solving this, yes. So what I'm going to get here? Tell me here. What are the combination here? 1,
0, sir.
0,
1
0.
1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0.
1, 0, 0. Oh, okay.
This is
क्या
0.
1, 0? I didn't get how you are telling 1, 0. This is the direction vector. I'll be writing IJK as it is, man. That's the direction vector given. So IJK I'm writing as it is.
So K is 0, sir. 1, 1, 0.
हाँ.
And second one will be
1, 1,
0,
0.
1, minus 1.
हाँ. Now solve this. I'm talking about direction vector. कहाँ से लेंगे हम लोग? How many of you are thinking? Here 1, 1, J नहीं है, I mean K नहीं है तो 0. इधर क्या है? 0, I नहीं है तो 0, J है तो K क्या है? माइनस है, तो उसे ऐसा ले रहा हूँ मैंने. आया समझ? हाँ. Make
Yes,
it.
sir.
Sir, is nothing but minus I plus J plus K.
Minus I, minus J,
Plus J.
Plus
Plus
K.
J, plus J, plus J. Plus J plus K.
how I'm going to get here? I cap minus I cap plus J cap plus.
K cap.
And now what I'm going to do? Q alpha beta gamma is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 2P. Look at this here. Alpha beta gamma, this is the point Q here. Alpha beta gamma is the foot of the perpendicular to the perpendicular drawn from the point M. So M 1, 0, 1. Now
So now, as sir, we can write like alpha minus 1 by minus 1. In the,
yes, guys, here let me give the options. After this question, there is nothing we have. What all you have to do is because you have to foot of the perpendicular given here, M point 1, 0, 1 given, and on the plane, his plane. What kind of plane is here? X minus x1. What is x1 here? 1 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 0. 0 by minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus z1 minus 1 divided by minus 1. Solve this, you will be getting x value, y value, z value. And
Which is equal to 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. Then only we can solve, no, sir.
yes, which is equal to minus 1. 1 second. Which is equal to minus
1
1
minus 0 minus 1 minus 1 by 3.
minus 1 by square
By
root, yes,
3.
by 3. Yes. Now this is what? Then you can find out x, y, z values. After that, find out alpha plus beta. Homework, guys. This is a homework question. If you are not getting, we'll solve in the next class. All right. So you have to find out alpha plus beta plus gamma value here. So I think I have next class right now. So we'll move with the. देखो बेटा इधर 4th question. So till I have here 5th question for you. Look at this here. 5, 6, 7. Till 8 you have to do as a homework. Take it as a homework. All right. try. If you are not getting, we'll solve in the next class. All right, till 8 question. आया समझ? I'll be sharing these notes. I'll be sharing these notes in the next
Okay,
class.
sir.
We'll discuss. I'll be sharing these notes. Next class we'll be discussing all this. Thank you. मुझे अभी आपका तेरा जूनियर है ना, जूनियर्स को लेना है. चलो ठीक है, मिलते हैं कल के क्लास में. गुड बाय. थैंक यू.
Bye, sir.
Guys,
Thank you, sir.
while coming there, please revise your formulas, revise your basics and come. Thank you.
Okay.